Hey guys, it's Steve. It is Tuesday morning at 11:32 a.m. December 28th, 2021, and it's snowing outside, and I'm gonna record the radar. This is my first snowstorm video since last winter, probably around like January or February. I think it was March, but play what's supposed to hit, and yeah. Later on, it's supposed to rain, turn into rain, but for now, it's snow. But yeah, that's basically what's supposed to hit. It's already snowing now, but it's been snowing for a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to show what has already came and what's yet to hit. So yeah, enjoy the snowstorm. Alright, as you can see, it is snowing. Yeah, you can see the ground starting to be a little white. Some of the houses already have snow on it, same with cars. Yeah. Basically the first snowstorm of the season. And we had a little bit of snow back in like November, but wasn't that much. And it didn't stay on the ground that long. I don't know if this is gonna stay on the ground long because it's supposed to rain again later. That's if it does, who knows, it may change. I think we'll step outside for a minute. I'm in my lazy sleeping clothes right now. Record the sky. See the snowflakes coming down? Yeah. But yeah, finally seeing snow for the first time of the season. And yeah, anyways, I'm going to record more I'm gonna just go in the, take a shower and yeah, do that stuff. So I'll record more in a little bit. Yeah. Alright, here's a little update. It's like hour later. Still snowing. Yeah, we can go into the street now. See the ground. Yeah. The street is filled with snow now. There's probably gonna be snow plowers that'll come plow the snow out of the street. It's the parking lot. Yeah. Oh crap, I don't want these people seeing me film them. Yeah. Just look at the snow coming down. Yeah. But yeah. I'll probably update you guys in a little bit again. Oh, and here's the sign or whatever that fell down from the heavy wind a few weeks ago. Looks like they put it back up, but then it snapped, broke down again. So yeah. But yeah, it's snow. I'll keep you guys updated. I don't know how many more updates I'll do, but I'll do more updates. So yeah. Still snowing. It seems like it's snowing just a little bit lighter than it was earlier. I think that's a snowplower there. Yeah. Yep, that's a snowplower. Back to the snow. I think there's another snowplower that let's go back into the street. Yeah. The snow's still not that deep. But I don't know how many inches it currently is now and how many we're supposed to have for it, stops. Yeah, this snow has been plowed off the street, becoming a little mountain of snow. Yeah, the snow kind of seems just a tad bit slushy. Not too slushy, but I don't want to go in the street and get in people's way. But yeah. Yeah. But yeah, I think I might do one more update. I don't know. But it might start raining a bit, so that's probably when I'm gonna. Yeah. But in case I don't do another update, well, here's yeah, it's the snowstorm. First snowstorm of the season. A big official snowstorm. Again, we had a little bit of snow back in like November, but I was like not too much and it didn't really stick. Yeah, it's all slushy over there. But yeah, if this is the flower again. But yeah, if this is it, if I don't record anymore, well, I'll obviously end with the aftermath on the weather app. And yeah. Looks like we have another plower. You can see over there. Yeah, they're like plowing the snow to like the side, to like the grass, move it out of the street and the parking lot so cars could drive and park their cars. So yeah, they're scooping snow up. I might go over there in a minute. And record what Alright. Gonna go back over here for a sec, see how much snow he plowed onto the grass over here. Yeah. Yeah, all this. Fortunately, there's still snow in the parking lot, so yeah. But yeah. Anyway, yeah. If I don't record anymore, I'll probably end with the weather app. Maybe I'll have one more update, I don't know, but yeah. Alright, another update of the snow. Still snowing. It's like probably a half hour to an hour later. I don't know, maybe 45 minutes. I don't know. Still snowing. Yeah. Now the snow kind of seems to slow down a little bit. Still snowing though. Yeah, I saw on the weather app it's supposed to snow until probably like 4 o'clock, then it's supposed to turn into rain. Right now it's almost 3 o'clock. But yeah. With all this snow on the ground. If only we could have had this on Christmas. That would have been great. Have a white Christmas. Unfortunately, it was like unseasonably warm, like in the 50s. Last time we had a white Christmas where I live was probably back in like 2017. We might have had a white Christmas in 2016, I don't know, but 2017 we had a white Christmas. 2018 I think it was unseasonably warm. 2019 we had no, it was like in the 60s. It was unseasonably warm. Last year we had flurries, little flurries, but not enough to stick to the ground, and yeah, so that wasn't a white Christmas. And yeah, and yeah, this year it was in the 50s. Yeah, it's all slush over here. See the street? Yeah. Crap. It's all fucking puddles here. Holy crap. But yeah, I don't know how many updates I'll do. I might do maybe 1 or 2 more, maybe no more. I don't know, depending on if it stops or if it starts raining. Again, they said 4 o'clock, so that's when it's supposed to stop snowing and start raining, but who knows. But yeah. Someone plowing their driveway or whatever. Yeah. Now, it doesn't seem like it's snowing. I think it seems like the snow is, seems like it has stopped snowing. In fact, now I think it's rain, or at least sleet or whatever. I don't know. But I guess this is gonna, yeah, be the last of the last snowstorm clip. It's a little after 3, so yeah. And you can see across the street. Yeah. Plowing snow in their driveway. So yeah. Snow. So anyways, I'm gonna end it with the weather apps. So yeah.
Alright, I'm now gonna conclude this snowstorm video with the aftermath with the weather app. Basically play what hit. Yeah, you could, yeah, this green over here, yeah, that's rain. The blue is snow. The rain is basically about to approach the Chicago area, so yeah, snowstorm's basically about to be, it's like flurries outside now, so yeah, it's pretty much over. Basically play what hit. Gonna go there. I started filming at like 11:30 or whatever, somewhere around that time. But yeah. Yeah. Yeah, around like a little after 4 is when it's supposed to turn in the rain. In fact, there's one of the snow plowers pushing I'm looking outside. One of the snow plowers is pushing snow again to the side on like the grass. Hell, some parts right now are already starting to see the rain. But yeah. Now the next chance for snow. Now they said, I was watching in the news a news clip like a little while ago. They said possibly tomorrow, but on my one of my other weather apps it says the next chance for snow will be Saturday. So yeah. So if it doesn't snow tomorrow, then Saturday on New Year's Day. So I might have a snowstorm video on New Year's. Of course, with the Happy New Year's video and the live stream that I'm also gonna do. But yeah, so possibly 3 videos that day though. The Happy New Year's video, snowstorm video, and of course the live stream. So yeah, anyways, that's basically it for this video. Just recording the first snowstorm of the season. And so yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I'll probably have more of these snowstorm videos as the winter goes on. If there's any more snow, which there should be. But yeah, last year it did not start snowing until around this same exact time. a little after Christmas. That's when we started seeing our first snowstorm last winter. And then we saw a couple, like, not blizzards, but a couple of snowstorms where it was like a lot of snow. So yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, bye guys. Have a good one.